Ciao, I'm Mary Ann Esposito.
And I'm Jen Chase.
Jen is my daughter-in-law. What are we cooking today?
Autumn gold pasta sauce with penne.
Oh, sounds molto delicato. Well, we're going to make a very quick squash sauce using Filippo Berio Delicato extra virgin olive oil. So, let's get cooking. Butternut squash has a high concentration of vitamin E. It's great fiber, it's a delicious vegetable, and it's easy to work with. So all we really want to do is get this al dente. Once it's there, some fresh minced sage. Okay, that looks great. And now I think you should put on the bacon.
We've got crumbled bacon.
Crumbled bacon. If you didn't want to use bacon, you could use pancetta, which would be great. You could leave the bacon off.
Make it vegetarian.
Make it vegetarian. And then we need a generous sprinkling of Parmigiano Reggiano, grated Parmesan cheese. And we fried a few whole sage leaves. And they make a very nice garnish over the top. And then just one more thing.
A drizzle of the Delicato.
That's right, Filippo Berio Delicato extra virgin olive oil. Sings to me.